Your first flute song, only 5 notes, adult beginners, from 0, step by step. In this lesson, you're going to play your very first song on the flute, even if you've never played before. We'll use only 5 notes, C, B flat, A, G, and F. At the end of the video, I'll play the full song so you can hear what you're working toward. This lesson is designed especially for adult beginners. You don't need to read music, and you don't need any previous experience. You will learn everything you need in this video. Take your time, breathe calmly, and don't worry if things don't sound perfect right away. Progress on the flute happens step by step. Let's start with the note C. Place your left hand index finger like this. Keep your hands relaxed and your shoulders down. Your right hand pinky finger must always stay here. Blow gently, as if you were fogging up a mirror. If the sound doesn't come out clearly, don't force it. Less air often works better than more. Focus the air into the mouthpiece. This is how it looks in the music score. Now let's move to the note B flat. You will need your left hand index finger and thumb. Your right hand pinky finger must always stay here. Only one finger changes. Put your thumb on this key. It is called the B flat key. Try to keep the movement smooth and relaxed. Avoid squeezing the flute. Tension makes everything harder. This is how it looks in the music score. This is the note A. You will need to use your left hand index finger, thumb, and middle finger. Your right hand pinky finger must always stay here. Bring your middle finger to the next key. If the sound cuts out or feels unstable, check that your fingers are fully closing the keys. Stay patient and keep the airflow steady. This is how it looks in the music score. Now the note G. You will need to use your left hand index finger, thumb, middle finger, and ring finger. Your right hand pinky finger must always stay here. Bring your ring finger to the next key. Many beginners get an airy sound here. Instead of blowing harder, slightly adjust the direction of your air. Small changes make a big difference. This is how it looks in the music score. Now our last note is F. You will need to use your left hand index finger, thumb, middle finger, and ring finger, and your right hand index finger. Your right hand pinky finger must always stay here. Add your right hand index finger to the G fingering. Keep your embouchure stable and aim for a round, centered sound. Think about consistency, not volume. Blow warm air. This is how it looks in the music score. Now let's start connecting the notes. We'll go very slowly at first. Start from A, then B flat, and then C. Try to play them long. Now play A, then G, and then F. Practice slowly. Feel the change in your fingers and your breath. Good job. Now let's play the full song together. First, slowly. And now, a little closer to the normal tempo. If you've made it this far, you've just played your first song on the flute. And that's a big achievement. If you want to keep learning step by step from zero, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if at any point you'd like personal guidance and corrections, you can find information about private online flute lessons in the description. Take your time, practice slowly, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Subscribe for more adult beginner lessons.